How big is Brendan? He's so big. So big. What are you having for breakfast? Oh, so big. He knows so big now. He's got a nice little chunk of banana in his hair. And some Cheerios. And Daddy's feeding him some eggs. Brendan. Brendan. How big is Brendan? He's so big. We're so big. So big. He's very busy with breakfast right now. Say hello. Baby's waiting for a Cheerio to fall. So big. How big is Brendan? He's so big. So big. Alright, Cheerio head. Bye-bye.